Robot vacuum and mop combo. The sweeping system provides a powerful suction and vacuum mode. Mopping system with intelligent control water tank. One robot, two options, quiet, but still powerful. It can easily and efficiently collect debris, hair and dirt. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Unique suction structure. The unique suction structure ensures that pet hair and dirt go into the dustbin easily, which makes it great for pet owners. Number 2. Endurance cleaning. V5s Pro cleans up to 110 minutes per charge, so you get to enjoy a completely clean home from a single charge. Number 3. Simple cleaning. Multiple cleaning modes are available to deal with different situations. Number 4. No attention needed. Drop sensors will help the V5s Pro avoid falling downstairs or ledges. Number 5. Intelligent protection. Sensors slow the V5s Pro down and avoid or lightly tap your furniture. Number 6. Self-charging. The V5s Pro will go back to the dock to charge when the battery is low. Number 7. Multiple cleaning modes. Easy to handle different cleaning tasks. Auto mode. Maximizing cleaning coverage. Spot mode. Specific small area. Max mode. Intensive cleaning. Edge mode. Concentration on edges and corners. Number 8. What you get. One ILIFE V5s Pro robot vacuum and mop. 1 water tank, 1 mop cloth, 1 dustbin, 1 remote control, 2 AAA battery, 2 filters, 1 AC adapter about 1.5 meter length, 1 charging base, 1 cleaning brush, 2 side brushes, 1 user's quick guide, 1 user manual, and a 12-month warranty, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.